Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cassandra if you are new here, and today I'm going to be trying out a new face mask. If you haven't noticed, I have been a little obsessed with face masks recently, and I wanted to try one of these in the L'Oreal Pure Clay Mask line. They've got like 4 or 5 different masks, and they're each targeting different like skincare issues. So I looked it up and this one seemed to be the best for like redness and texture. So this is the Clarify and Smooth face mask with 3 pure clays and yuzu lemon. I don't know what a yuzu lemon is, but it's a cool looking mask. It's like a really bright yellow. The other ones were like an orangish red, a mint green, a black. Yeah, so I'm gonna use this one. Let's break on into it. Some of them even came with like a sample size mask, but I think it was like the charcoal mask came with a sample size charcoal mask, and that just doesn't really make a lot of sense. You know, like if I'm buying one of these, I want to get a sample of something else. Ooh, there's like little specklies in it. That's kind of cool. It smells really good. That actually smells incredible. It smells like something. I know that smell. It smells like the white citrus scent from Bath and Body Works. I love that scent. I love anything citrus. If you know me, you know I love anything citrus and floral. I love floral scents. So I am going to use my little spatula that I got from that little face mask trio. I will link that video down below, and I'll also have it in the eye so you guys can watch that. So I'm gonna use this just because it's fun. I mean, why not? Let me go ahead and put my hair back. If I can get my hairband. Okay. But before I put this on, let me like read to you the benefits and whatever that it says on the box, because I actually haven't looked at it all that much. I just kind of like was perusing in the store. Let's see. So L'Oreal Paris skin experts created a range of clay mud masks to beautify your skin in minutes. Each mask is powered by 3 different clays in their pure form, formulated in indulgent, creamy textures that turn your mask into a multi-sensorial experience with every use. We will see. Why is this mask right for me? Daily wear and tear, makeup, and improper care can leave skin uneven with roughness and imperfections. That's me. Oftentimes, a cleanser isn't enough to solve this problem. Pure Clay Mask, Clarify and Smooth, addresses your skin concerns for smooth, even, and resurfaced skin. Let me tell you guys something, okay? I have been breaking out, like, worse than I ever have in my entire life. And you wanna know why? It's because of this devil foundation. Like, I know everyone else has been really loving it, but there's just something about it that made me break out literally all over my entire face. Like normally I'll have a few spots here and there, like no big deal, but with this, it literally covered my entire face. So I am not using this anymore. I mean, I don't know if there was just some ingredient in there that didn't agree with my skin, because I haven't heard of this with anyone else that I've talked to about this foundation, but not right for me. So my skin is in a horrific state right now, and it needs some love from this yuzu lemon. Okay, let's see what else this says. Powerful blend of 3 clays and yuzu lemon, formulated with kaolin and montmorillonite and Moroccan lava clays, enhanced with yuzu lemon extract to draw out buildup impurity. Sorry, what? Okay. To draw out buildup of impurities, dirt, pollution. That's horrible grammar. You need to put an and there. I see you have the Oxford comma, and that's great, but you need an and. Shed rough, dead skin cells, clarify tone, improve skin texture. See effective results. Immediately, skin is left with a clean glow. Dirt, dust, and oil. They forgot the Oxford comma. Dirt, dust, and oil are effectively lifted from skin. Roughness feels smoother. Skin complexion appears fresher. Use They need some help with their grammar. Use after use. Skin surface appears renewed, refined. Skin looks more even, healthy, and beautiful. I don't understand like why they're deciding to use and in some spots and some spots they're not. I'm being very nitpicky right now. Imperfections appear reduced. Okay. L'Oreal, if you need help with your grammar, I'm here. I'm here for you. Okay. How to use. Apply an even layer to clean, dry skin, avoiding eye and lip area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes, then remove with water in circular motion to exfoliate. Ooh, I didn't know this was an exfoliating mask. Now I'm excited. For best results, use 3 times a week. In case of contact with eyes, rinse them immediately and thoroughly. Okay. Okay, I'm really excited about this. Let's go ahead and get started. So I've got my little spatula. Ooh. It's so thick. It's giving me like an egg yolk kind of feeling. Don't know how I feel about that. Okay, let's go for it. Oh, I love it. It goes on really easy. Wow, I love this. And this smell, I'm obsessed. I love this smell so much. Citrus is the bomb. I feel like I used quite a lot, but I think that was more like the spatula. I couldn't really like thin it out and spread it out as much as I wanted to, so I had to keep digging in, but oh well. I like it. So far, I really like it. All right, so I've got this all over my face, and now I'm just gonna let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, and I will be back, and we will see what beautiful skin lies underneath. I hope. I'll be back. All right, so it has been 15 minutes, and I am back. It's not totally dry. I guess it's just because like some spots were a little thicker. But it's dry for the most part. I can definitely feel like the little exfoliation beads. I felt it as I was putting it on too, which is pretty cool. Yeah, it's mostly dry. I think if I did just a thinner layer, it would be like completely dry. Let's take a closer look. Yeah, there's like so many little exfoliation beads. That's pretty cool. So I'm excited to see if that actually does anything. I'm excited to see if the mask does anything at all, because last time with that little trio, was that L'Oreal too? No, that was Spa Scriptions. So I've like never used that brand, but I'm looking forward to seeing results from this. Just because they have so many masks in this line, like it has to work, you know? And like, this one's new, so if the masks weren't doing well, would they have made a new one? So hopefully this one is really, really good. I'm excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this off and get some exfoliating action going on, and I will be back with a fresh face and we will talk about the results. And I'm back, and I really like that mask actually. I can definitely tell a difference in the texture, especially. Let's grab my mirror. Yeah, the texture, there's definitely a huge difference. It was a really nice exfoliator, like it was very fine granules. I don't know like what the exfoliator was made of, if it was like the lava rock or what, but that's kind of what it looked like. So it was like black, I don't know, but either way it was very nice. It was kind of hard to get all of the exfoliant off. That's probably my only complaint, is that it took a bit of like rinsing to get all of it off. But yeah, I think that it looks really good. Yeah, the texture is definitely nice. My skin doesn't feel too dry, which is great because a lot of times after I use masks, especially clay masks, my skin just feels really dry afterwards. It doesn't feel too dry. It doesn't look like it sucked all of the moisture out, you know? I feel like it looks a little more radiant, so that's nice. It definitely did help with some of the redness. I really like this. Yeah, I would recommend it. I definitely also want to try some more from this line. If any of you have tried any from this line, it is the Pure Clay line. Please let me know. Also, can we just talk about this packaging? Like, this is so cute. This is adorable. This is something I could like display. It's so calming with like the green. It makes you feel like you're in a spa. I like it. I would like to have like all of them in the set and like display them. That would be cute. So yeah, let me know if you guys have tried any of these out. What are your thoughts? Let me know if you've tried anything with yuzu lemon, because I've like never heard of that before. And don't forget to give this video a big ol' thumbs up if you liked it. And if you like skincare videos, if you want to see me try more masks, if you want to see more like weird masks, I tried a bubble mask at one point, rubber masks are a thing. So let me know if you want to see something with one of those. I think that would be really fun and just weird to do. And also, of course, don't forget to subscribe and click that little bell so that you're notified every single time that I post a new video. And I will just see you guys next time. Bye!